Yes, man. Good morning again to all ya people of Rasta Nation and Rasta World, yo. As I have predict the disease, the virus that is spreading now, long time it was beginning when King Kong was our leader. There are too much violence and the country is on a nightmare. 6 years nightmare by his leadership as king of traitors, king of killers, king of greedy, king of traitors, king of terrors, king of Bauktik-Tikyo. His name combined all is King Kong. Now, the nation has a freedom to rebel, but he controlled our nation through 3Gs, yo. Guns, gold, and guns. Our country before has a democracy, but when he sit down, it was became a democracy. Yo, if you speak, you are controlled, and then like that, like the what happened to Calabarzon massacre. They speak, the people there was massacred, they speak, and they were like that. They are only activists. And the Harry Rokoy Chokoyo, the half human, half baboy Ramu, without his horns on his proud face. He speak too much fake news, and their advocacy was kill, 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 yo. This is a nightmare in his regime, King Kong Mamaw. And the Constitution, as our country was in horrible democracy, the Constitution was under his power, and it's called King Kong Constitutional. It is a combo due with democracy, and the Constitution was King Kong Constitutional. That's it, man. Itong namumuno ngayon, yung DepEd, anak ni King Kong, si Sara Mamaw. Diyan mo maisip kung malawak ang iyong pag-iisip. Sinabi kong wala siyang kredibilidad na maging DepEd. Alam niyo kung bakit? Coming from his mouth, her mouth, yo. As you are the DepEd mother, you are the BP, Sara Mamaw. You have said there is no honesty in politics. It means that your belief was on the other side of making the youth hope to make an earning, because sinasabi mo sa kabataan, magsinungaling kayo dahil walang honesty sa politician, taliwas sa tinuturo ng moral ng creator. Ang creator sinasabi, honesty is the best policy. Kaya pala, yung mga signboard sa loob ng room, tinatanggal mo yung mga honesty is the best policy. Hindi ka pala naniniwala yan kasi ang paniwala mo, lahat ng politician nagsisinungaling. There is no honest in politics. Klarong-klaro, coming from your own mouth, you have said to yourself, Madam BP, Sara, BP as in Bampera. You are a Bampera. money. Yo, I am Mamao, you have said to yourself. And also, from as you are the second highest ruler of the country, you have said that tinutugis mo ang mga MPA dahil sila masasamang tao. Coming from your own mouth, Madam Vampira Sara Mamao, your bloodline, your father said, in war in China, he said in his sona that we don't have to create a war. Hindi tayo pwedeng makipagdigma, makipaggira sa China. Yun at sinabi niya sa sona niya, si King Kong Mamao. Dahil marami daw nababalo at maraming masisirang ari-arian ng Pilipinas. Yun ang natatandaan ko, marami daw mababalo. Kaya, in his word, there is no need for war. Isn't that a shame to his dignity? That he swore to be a leader, a president, that he will protect the people and the sovereignty of the nation. Isa pala siyang traitor, badap. Hindi pa nga nagpaputok kahit isang putok ng bala ng China, nagtatago na siya. Kaya ang masasabi ko, as you are the bloodline of the great King Kong Mamao, tinutugos nyo ang MPA. As me, as I am also an MPA, I admit I am an MPA, but the meaning is no permanent address. But you dictate all the protectors of our country, the soldiers and the military. You have said, your father said, that we will retreat and protect the people. Magtago na lang tayo, sabi ng tatay mo. That is, I believe, you are the new generation of MPA. You know what it mean? You are the MPA. Binubunton mo ang kasalanan ng bayan sa tao. Kayo pala ang mga mamaw, ang creator. You are the MPA, New Palamunin Army. MPA, New Palamunin Army. Kaya kayong mga sundalo, traitor kayo ng inyong pinuno. Alam nyo na kayo ay sundalo at nangako kayo, you will protect the sovereignty of the Philippines and my loved ones, my people. I also protect my loved one. This, only my loved one. That's the girl, yo, Jam Ambalos. That's why I'm pursuing you, all of you, Mama, to step down because you are really the original MPA, New Palamunin Army. Yo, mga sundalo, pasintabi kayo. Go along with me, protect our country. There is different kinds of war. Kasi ang laman ng utak ng nagsabi nung we will just hide and not protect our country. Ang laman kasi ng utak nung nagsalita ay puro pulbura. Kaya ang gusto niya mangyari, ang gera, puro barilan, tarsikan ng bala. Ang daming klaseng gera, yung gera ng word and wisdom, pagsabihan mo, alaitin mo yung occupied sa atin, nag-invade sa atin na China. Yan ang ibig ko sabihin. Kayo ang talagang salarin ang mga duwag. Ngayon, sinasabi niyong maisog kayo. Dati matapang, may malasakit. Matapang palang magtago. Maisog, matapang, maisog. At malasakit. Malasakit palang ulo nyo, misayad, yo. Ngayon, yung mga kriminal, yung misaya, si Kibuloy, kayo ngayon ang protector. Misaya daw si Kibuloy. Kayo ang protector. Hindi pala Misaya kasi nanggahagasa ng mga apostol niya si Kibuloy, yung Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Misayad pala, hindi Misaya. Kaya kayo, Misaya din ang utak kayo ni King Kong, kayo mga Paulo Mamaw. Nilamon nyo 51 billion. Hindi ba kayo nahihiya yan? Shame on you, mga mamaw, mga limaw. Yung tatay nyo, yan ang gunggonic disease ngayon. Yung pera ng China pinamumudmud para magkaroon ng destabilization, pagsisira ng bayan natin. Kayong mga great halimaw, rock and roll break it down, Rastaman in the house. Create jobs, educate, meditate, create jobs, create prison for you, mamaws of the country, traitor we create prison for you. Monster, great monster, break it down.